Yeah, my viewers and sub, we're in at the town of Morant Bay, and we see the GLP mayor, the newly appointed mayor. He just passed through the town of Morant Bay. Big Super is out here on the ground, and we're right in front of the market, my viewers and sub, and where we are going to interview the lady we deal with the herbal stuff, Healing Sun. You know, we are doing a one-on-one interview with her, so we are in at the market to look for our products them and thing, talk with her and find out what going on. Talk to your customer, they can see have your customer them out there deal with.
Yeah man, me there.
Yeah.
Big super.
So what going on at the market
now? Again, you know, me there run things man. Me I run things straight and good afternoon.
Yeah.
And good afternoon, Big Super, and thanks every time for blog. Can you go see it? Yes, what name?
Kaki shop.
Yeah, you are the people that must say it name.
The Kaki shop.
A lady burn, you know. You don't know say the herbal lady we always come up front to help people them with their sickness.
Yeah.
So we have like the detox and clean, you know, it has the bitter and the nickel.
Yeah.
And the dog blood, all of them something to cleanse the body because we have a lot of cold in our body, you know.
Yeah.
Enough time you go bathroom, you know, and you can't go, you think, I pay cold, tie you up.
Yeah.
So you have to clean your body. You see, pastrate, make them and them can't perform. Not for the woman, them are weak in bed. When it comes to the bed,
how the family have two words, man?
I'm not Big Super. But I'm going to show some Big Super.
Yeah.
If anytime man I develop diabetes, you know, the sex drive are good on. So right now,
it's like a meet at yours,
man. No, man. Listen me, man. Listen me, man. Remember some of the sex drive, you know.
Yeah.
You want, wait there. I'll come in to you.
Yeah. So you have the sex drive, yeah?
Me have the sex drive.
Cocos bag a thing I go on the market, you know, because she have everything, you know, people.
Everything she have, but she not carry me home, come
Oh, she not bring you home to prove it. Oh, make it where I go on.
Because I don't have any home, I say I not carry home.
Go make him carry you home. Make him carry you home. Ah, you can't escape, you know. You can't escape, you know.
Sex drive.
Where you live there?
Hold on, man. You can't escape because you promote sex drive.
Alright, you see this now, this is the sex drive.
Yeah, but hold on, when you get the man that to drink, what happen?
No, what happen?
Yeah.
Well, listen me
you
now.
go home or I come home?
No, I have no home. So I not go home, I not go come. But this is the sex drive. Rich and thick.
No, but this is a cause problem in your man's life.
No, man, this rich and thick, man.
Well, everybody wants to test out the sex drive. My God. Yo.
Hey, let me show you something. You know the amount of girl that get ring because of my sex drive.
Talk up the things, girlie. Talk up the things.
You know the girl that get baby because of this medicine with the penny royal and everything. Listen me.
Yeah.
Look for the man when they have diabetes.
Yeah.
Then shame to tell them why for them girlfriend.
Yeah.
Even the side chick turn big fool because she don't know what I want.
Where's the side chick?
So anytime you see diabetes, now the man them.
Yeah.
Sex thing gone down.
Yeah.
Ready? If you want to walk on right now, you ready?
I don't want to hear anything.
Yeah, but well, and the things not work already.
Listen me, you know the reason.
Yeah,
you know the reason why. This man, I tell them say. I tell them Big Super, you have to have your license sure hope to drink my sex drive.
Yeah.
Because you know your license, you can't go per road.
True.
Okay. I mean the prostrate.
Oh, yeah, the prostrate. So the one I work now.
You see this now? When you drink it, it clean urinal tract. It has the dandelion root.
Yeah.
You understand? It has the guinean. It has the golden seal and phenolite and clove. And you know everything where the cloves do to the body.
Yeah.
All right.
Bernie.
Right.
You know what I say? One girl want to talk to you, but I put you on some pressure and find the cold and come and check you.
Yeah, man, come check me. Are the baby one she want to see, huh?
I know me, I'm going to talk to you and tell you.
Yeah, man. So any one of them you want, you can get them. I mean, I have the herpes too.
You have the
You have the
herpes
herpes. Because some of them are herpes, them out, sore up on them body, bump up on them.
Yeah. So you drink that and it clears up.
Yeah, man. You have the sinus.
The sinus.
Sinus is that thing we make. Because them place that smell bad and stink and something. So you use the rosemary and the clove and the fennel and then something other stuff. And we put in there so clear your stuff. And take out mucus.
So we see you have tambourine up on the front part there too.
Yeah, man, we are over there, man. You see now? You don't know what's a tambourine? No, we live up on the hill.
Hold on there, hold on.
Camelot, right at bridge.
Hold on there, but you direct man in your yard after you give them juice to drink, you know?
Yeah, just call me number 7818307.
Up on the top side,
I'm going to show you people. You see tambourine important. You see if you have high pressure, you just get some tambourine with piece of hot ginger.
Right.
And you get few pieces of turmeric. And you grate them and blend them together. This tambourine here, it cut down the pressure, it's good for the nerves, it rests the nerves. And tambourine clean your colon, it is very good, it's good for your nature. You see, so we have all sorts of things in the market here. Where we sell, and my thing with me do, I'm not people sell food, but I look for health, because your health is the wealth,
that is true.
And the herb is the healing of the nation. So we have to clean our system, just like a car. If you have a car, you know, change the engine oil, you know, change the filter, you know, check the radiator, and you know, drain out all of them bad oil. You have a problem, so you have to drain out and refill. And most time, when you go bathroom, you can't go, because your colon locked, you have a lot of coal in the body, so you have to get the bitters, the clean and detox the body.
So you're in the market here like 7 days a week?
No. I am a farmer. I don't on the market. I go come Thursdays and Friday, but if me have persons who overseas want me or they check me, they come and then pick
right
up.
You know, you come like a doctor, you know, like a local doctor lady, you know.
Yeah, well, I'm 35 years, you know, so, you know, it's going on a long time. And even in my home, my children are sinus are worm, because you have some people are worm. You know what the worm do? I'm going to show you what the worm do. Worm is a parasite when enough people don't know. When the worm in your colon, you know what they do? The male and the female leave your colon and then follow your bloodstream and go your lungs, go mate. When they mate and they left the head up there, sometimes you cough. And piece of coal, you have a little worm in your body.
Yeah, I understand.
So you don't drink the country and then something there. It clean out back the worm out of your body. Semi-contract, it clean it out, the bitters. You have to flush and keep the system clean. Sometimes you go bathroom and everything come out, you know.
I understand.
Some left. So you have to get the cleanser, to flush the system and detox it. To have good health. Sometimes you can't sleep at night. You want some nerve medicine, you good soursop bark, your banana, neighbor, little molasses and honey. Set your body straight with some nutmeg and rosemary. It rests your tree of life. If it's Christmas finic, you get the tree of life and you drink your tree of life with your man paper and it helps the nerve. Sometimes I know mad people mad enough. But this is stress. Sometimes you want to sleep. Sometimes some problem take you and you can't sleep. You will say otherwise. But if you know the right herbs and tea to drink, it rests the nerves, because if you have a car and you run out of water, you know, a fire will blaze. So you see when the nerves take you, it's like a fire. So you have to rest the nerves. You understand? So big super, I respect you.
Yeah, man, every time.
You up every time.
And give me back the phone number again, but give me it slow.
Okay. The number. I go get the number for overseas.
So
I make you get it. I have people overseas who want the number. So they're going to make you get the overseas number.
We need the two number them still, you know.
Yeah, man, I know, man. I know.
And you see a lady there? No problem.
Come on, may I come with the number?
Alright, more blessings to you.
Alright. Alright, the number for Brooklyn. 978 801 1212. So if you're anywhere in New York, you just call this number.
Alright, and the local number?
And the local number at 876-781-8307.
In
the market. Alright. The local number is 876 is the area code.
Right.
781-8307.
Alright.
Local number. So sex drive, detox and clean, nerds, prostate, herpes. Me are thinking to a punch people, you know, thinking to a punch knife. when you get the thinking tour.
Yeah.
With the onion, the molasses and nothing there, you put pumpkin seed, sunflower and cashew and hazelnut and walnut. When you make that the punch, you make me tell you if you're not no baby. If you're not no body, you have to look one.
We like to encourage a whole for arms out in the country,
No,
you know.
no, arms
Everybody run, come buy them something there. But when them out with the baby, they want to left them with you.
Left them with me?
Yeah.
They call me at 12, so I can't take care of the rest. You understand?
All right,
So I do a lot of punch.
All
Now
right.
the green juice,
Yeah.
when I use the water cushion.
Yeah.
And the spinach and all of those green stuff with the string bean to make the green juice. You understand? And cucumber. Because the watercress good for the heart. Yeah, some people have heart problem.
Yeah.
The heart have hole and your heart will bleed.
Yeah.
So and watercress is the most important vegetable upon anything you see.
Yeah.
Watercress is very good.
Yeah.
So if you want the watercress, you just call me local number, you get anything you want.
All right,
And if you want
Auntie
strong back, cocky four vein, pro and ramoon back, sarsaparilla, Guinean weed, sorostic, chamba bitter, any herbs you want.
You have it, yeah.
You have it. You just call me sarsaparilla, just get them.
All right.
All right.
Big up.
Big super. Have a bless you and thank you again.
All right, super.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Have a
Peace.
blessed day, super.
All right. And make sure you carry her home later after you drink that.
I'll walk here right away, super. Right away. So
Right.
you know what you do to me as a super?
Joe, the short a while it a work.
Right away,
Why you line up a drink for me now? But me get a drink. Everybody get a drink. Me need a drink, brethren. Yeah, we have to test it
Which one you
out.
want? The sex drive?
Well,
Listen me.
I wish one him drink. The one here on the back, the one here.
At the sex drive this.
At the sex drive it.
You pour it out.
Yeah.
After you pour it out,
Oh
that's
God,
it.
alright, now give me too much.
That's it.
You would have to go buy something super.
Are you posting something with the police name? The love right?
No.
What there?
I take out the vehicle?
When I big run for love right, I say, can't catch back this.
No. I know me. I know me post that one there.
See the punch, huh?
I will the punch that.
This is the punch.
What I punch your name?
But I see this now?
Yeah.
This thing here are the nature juices. Because it have the ripe banana.
Yeah.
It has sunflower.
Yeah.
It has pumpkin. It has cashew. Hazelnut. It has prune. It has
Yeah.
raisin.
Yeah.
And you know say the pumpkin seed has zinc.
Yeah.
You know say all of them food that you can't eat,
Yeah.
you get it in this. You can get some of this with some tough crackers, water crackers, piece of cheese and bulla, you're gone.
Yeah. But this I go on.
Yeah, well, don't go with it. Because if you follow it, it might put you in trouble.
Sure. Alright.
Well, when you drink the sex driving and you drink the punch it name, stay with me.
Stay with you. Alright, so why me have to keep on and come here and interview you though? Take care of yourself, more blessings.
All right,
Super.
Cool, peace.
Super.